Nuwa washamiki amani. Iyugwe. Bakumwino kumukuba govukuba. Iramu omukube. Iramu omukuba ojja kumbona. Mwana wange mali akafala kutupada amadi omugwako omukuba ndako kubayi. Kikulu abakulu bali kuba boina abaki.
Doa. Haya.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
To make Islam polished like the way our Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam fought is what we are fighting to do, and make our fellow Muslims to become also educated like others.
Diyor ki biz burada İslami olarak yaşamak ve Peygamber Efendimiz gibi İslamiyet'i yaymak istiyoruz. Okay, do you want to say to us anything?
Yes.
What?
Being here, we are not welcome. We are not well off.
Yes.
Yeah, we are here to still ask for an upper hand, such that we go away from the situation we are in, because we want to become people like others who can talk about. But being poor, we are not able to reach our set goals.
Diyor ki biz buradayız ama bizim çok ciddi gündelik ihtiyaçlarımız var. Bize bunlar için bir faydada, yardımda bulunabilirseniz seviniriz buranın Müslümanları olarak.
We need a mosque as well as a school, because our mosque is a grass thatched. Even the school is a grass thatched. We are always affected by the weather. When it's raining, we at times fail to have lessons as well as prayers.
Burada yapılı bina şeklinde bir kilise var. Aynı en azından bizim de bir camimiz olsun. Aynı zamanda birer de okul istiyoruz sizlerden. Eğer mümkünse.
İhdina sıratal mustakima sıratal lazina an'amta aleyhim gayril mağdubi aleyhim veleddallin. Kul huvallahu ahad Allahu samad lam yalid ve lam yulad ve lem yekun lahu kufuven ahad.
Allahu Ekber.
Allahu Ekber. Maşallah, maşallah, maşallah.